Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone ladder, then go to the contacts if you are not here, select the contact that you would like to change profile picture in, and then click on edit icon. Now just click on the camera icon right here to add the profile picture, and then you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me pick a photo from my gallery. Now you can crop it. Let me set it up this way. And then click on save. And that's it. Finally click on confirmation mark. And from now on, once Jimmy will be calling you, you will be able to see his profile picture. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily add photo to a contact in your HOMTOM. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.